Oh, I don't feel like doing this, but I want to. Here's the deal. We're gonna ride down to the local track and do a lap or two, maybe 4 or 5, and work on the dozer, or try to get it going so we can use it. So I'm gonna strap up and ride there. Looks greasy. Made it to the dozer. Holy moly, that's what the track looks like. I thought it would have been a lot better. It is soupy out there. So, she's got a leak, hydraulic leak. GoPro died. It is so soupy out there. My prediction is they crash right here. Look at all the mud coming up. They made it. Oh, he jumped it. So we are, which I haven't said, we're at Dream MX track, which is like 3 miles away from my house. My daughter works the track, stays in this camper, which you can rent these, like the one behind me. There's 4 of them. And if you do, you can ride before and after hours and party. They're pretty nice. She's got hers messy because she brings the flaggers, the flag girls, and they all stay in them for the weekend. The turnout was pretty good though. There's quite a few people here for a muddy ass track. I mean, it's muddy. Oh, look at that freshy gas and our old Escalade. These things move. Oh, barely. I was being a sissy earlier. The track was too muddy, but the turnout was about 100 plus bikes. The track's closing right now, so we decided to come back. Now everybody's gone, and they rode enough to dry it all up. Heck yeah.
Where's Margaret?